The directly spoken words are the direct speech, and the reported speech is called indirect. And I told you as well, whenever you are going to report those words to someone else spoken by a person, means that person is not present now, or maybe he or she is present there, but now you are reporting the words to someone else. So this is not the present time now, because the word has been spoken now. So how would you just share or report those words? So first of all, today we are going to do the simple present rule of this direct and indirect. For example, if someone has said something in a simple present tense, for example, you can have a look, just look at the screen there. Example number one, he said, I'm fine. He said, I'm fine. So, I'm fine are the words spoken by someone directly. Direct. But if you are going to share or report these words to someone else, so how would you report them? You have to now change the simple present into your simple past, because now the words have already been spoken by someone. So this is the past time now when the words were shared with. Okay? So you have to change it into simple past. So the simple present will go for simple past. And we always report the words by saying he said, she told, he told, they said, she tells, he tells. Okay? We can do it in a present as well and past as well. So, okay? So he said that. That is the addition. Why do you say this? She said that, because we are going to consider here what she said actually. That means we are going to explain now. These are the words that she said. Okay? So we need to use that here. She said that he was fine. He was fine. Because that time, he said that word. The subject, he said, I'm fine. But now you report the word of that person. So he said that. He was fine. Yes. He said, no, you're just reporting the same one. He said that he was fine. Because that subject, he may be not present at the place, or maybe if he is present, but now you are delivering the words to someone else. So present will go for simple past. You got that? Okay, so let's see another example. If someone has spoken into a perfect, present perfect, so how would you deliver, report this to someone else? So for example, if someone said, you can have a look now on example number 2. For example here, he said, I've been married for 3 years. He said, I've been married for 3 years. And what do you have to do? Now you have to report what he said to someone else. Right? So how would you report this? You have to take this present perfect directly. Very good. Into past perfect. Using the rule of the past perfect now, you can quote the word said by the subject before. And how can you do this? He said that. Why we are using that? Because now we are going to explain or say what here he has said. So he said that he had been married for 3 years. Simple. You can change the past perfect directly to past perfect. Well done. Well done. Okay. So let's see the rule number 3. For example, if someone had said directly something into simple past, Simple past time. Like you can see in example number 3. He sat. I went to the theater yesterday. This is what someone said directly, a subject. He here, maybe a boy, a man, has said these words directly. And what he said? I went to the theater yesterday. Yes. But if you're going to deliver this to someone else or report someone else, the quoted words of the boy, how would you do? Hello? Huh? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? Yeah, can you hear me? Yes. Can you hear me? Well done. Yes, okay. Yes. So I was, well done. So I was telling you, now you have to report these words to someone else. Whatever he or she has said, we are going to report now. The speech was before in simple past. And now we have to change this into past perfect again according to rules. Yes. Past perfect. Right? Because the time has gone when he was in the theater. Yesterday is the yesterday here indicating that the action has been taken already. Action has been done already. Right? So in the next when you report this, so you have to change the simple past into past perfect again. Why? Because now the action has been completely done. Yeah. Right? So he said that he had gone to the theater and the yesterday would be defined like the day before. Yesterday would be changed into the day before. Yes. He said that he had gone to the theater the day before. Wherever you get the yesterday in the speech, you have to change it into the day before. Indirect. Okay? Reporting the time. Yeah. You are now reporting this time, the adverb, you are the reported person. So that's why you'll need to change it into a day before. Because you are defining to someone that this had happened a day before. Right. Okay, so let's have a look on the next one. He said the show was already underway when the chief guest arrived. So this is in your now. Which tense? Can you just let me know? The show was already underway when the chief guest arrived. Simple past.